Hello friends, Garter stitch twisted rib, a classic simple pattern, good for men's pullover. Garter stitch is used in knitting patterns that doesn't curl. Normally we knit on one side and purl on another, but garter stitch is knitted both ways. Cast on stitches in multiple of 4 plus 2. It's a 2-row pattern. First row, knit 2, knit into back of second stitch, and then knit first stitch, slipping both stitches of the needle together, then knit 2, again knit into back of second stitch and then knit first stitch, drop both stitches of the needle together, knit 2. Likewise you will repeat the pattern till all the stitches are transferred from left hand needle to right hand needle. You can see the pattern after knitting first row. In second row, wrong side, knit 2, yarn forward, purl into front of second stitch and then purl first stitch. Slipping both the stitches of needle at the same time. Again knit 2, yarn forward, purl into front of second stitch and then purl first stitch, dropping both stitches together, yarn backwards, knit 2. Likewise you will repeat the entire pattern till all the stitches are transferred from left hand needle to right hand needle. Pattern after knitting 2 rows, abbreviation and pattern in the form of text. Subscribe channel for more. Thanks for watching. Happy knitting.